Having the right to carry a firearm is worthless if you don't carry a firearm. You know, there are a number of things that make a great gun. You can't pick it on one thing. You want pieces of everything. Reliability, concealability, accuracy, shootability, controllability. The XD-S Mod.2 checks all those boxes. And now, for the first time, it's available in 9mm. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people who rely on the XD-S for personal defense. 9mm is by far the most popular caliber in the world, and there's a reason for it. Just like the XD-S Mod.2, it's that perfect little balance between big enough, accurate, controllable power. It's an emotional thing. I want 100% confidence that that gun is not only going to provide safety for me, but it's going to be safe in my use of it. There are two safeties on the XD-S Mod.2, and they're both passive, all right? They both work exactly the same way. Your gripping of the gun is what depresses the safety and allows you to fire it, but doesn't require you to do another action. Gripping it takes one off, finger on the trigger takes the other one off. So if your finger's not on the trigger, you can't fire it. If you're not holding it, you can't fire it. About as safe as it can be. The XD-S Mod.2 in 9mm has an option in the sights. You can have a big fluorescent front that actually has a tritium vial in it, or you can get it with a fiber optic front sight. The barrel is hammer forged and millinite coated, and it uses a dual captive recoil spring. And on top of that, it actually has a standoff device, so if you bump the muzzle of the gun, it won't push the gun out of battery. The XD-S Mod.2 in 9mm comes with two magazines, a 7-rounder and a 9-rounder. The 7-round magazine ships with a grip extension on it that gives you a little place for your finger to go onto. But if you want the ultimate in concealability, there's also a flush fit base pad. You put that on there and the gun is as small as it can be. Your 9-round magazine comes with a magazine extension that gives you the full grip size for that ultimate feel and comfort. You're never going to sacrifice reliability for magazine capacity. So when you're looking to make your decision, you need some capacity, you need some durability, you need some accuracy, you need some shootability. What's the most important thing? It has to be reliability. That's what the recipe is, and that makes a perfect gun. And the XD-S Mod.2 in 9mm is that perfect gun.